Happy Sunday. We are back at CVS for the start of a brand new 2-week ad. And this week, the ad is all about the 5 off 20 personal cleansing CRT that we're getting. I've been really excited that we've been getting a lot of those CVS CRTs for specific events, like the 10 off 25 for the oral care event and the 10 off 40 for the hair event. And now we have a 5 off 20 for like body wash and hand soap and things like that are qualified as personal cleansing. So we have some really good body wash deals that we're going to be able to do using that CRT and some high value digital coupons that I want to get into. I'm actually going to do a rolling extra care buck scenario starting off with that 5 off 20 deal that I'll be posting here on my short form as well. So look out for that deal. I will give you a sneak peek of what I'm going to be doing for that at the end of this video in the receipt breakdown. Overall, I feel like this 2-week ad's a little bit slower than the last few that we've had, but we're still going to do the best with what we have to work with. And I want to give you guys a heads up as well that next Sunday I will probably not be posting a video for the second week of the ad. I will post something on my community page if I do decide not to do that. I am going to Dallas for a Wings game, for a Dallas Wings WNBA game. So I think that probably I will not be stopping in store at a store in Dallas to do deal updates. It should be pretty similar to the deals that are going on in this video. So next week and this week, you'll be able to do most of the deals that are in this video because a lot of the expiration dates and the coupons are all the way through this 2-week ad through July the 4th, which is through the last day of this 2-week ad. So heads up that if you don't see a deals video from me next week, that is why. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. To use our 5 off 20 personal cleansing CRT that works on body wash and hand soap, we can grab 2 of the Dove Men's FIFA Body Wash at $10.29 each, totaling $20.58. With that 5 off 20 CVS CRT and the 10 off 2 digital coupon that we have for the Dove Men and Women FIFA Body Wash, we'd be left to pay $5.58 for both, and then we're going to earn back a $4 extra buck for buying 2 select Dove Men's or Women's Body Wash. So it'll make our final net cost for 2 of these just $1.58. If you'd rather, you can grab 2 of the Dove Women's FIFA Body Wash at $11.29 each, totaling $22.58. Use your 5 off 20 CRT and the 10 off 2 digital coupon on the women's. You pay $7.58, get back your $4 extra buck for buying 2 of the Dove Women's Body Wash, making your final cost for 2 just $3.58. Another way that you can use your 5 off 20 CRT is on Axe Men's Body Wash. They are $6.29 and buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $12.58 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $7.58, get back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of them $3.58. But of course, if you pair these Axe Body Wash in with the 5 off 20 CRT, it would be an even better deal. Other things you can pair in with the 5 off 20 personal cleansing CRT are the raw sugar body washes. They are buy one, get one free, priced around $10. You can also do the raw sugar hand soaps that are priced around $4.99 to $5.49. Those are also buy one, get one free, working with the 5 off 20 personal cleansing CRT. And the soft soap hand soap, we have the Velvet Silk that are $2.99 and buy 2, get back $2 in extra bucks. And the larger soft soap pumps that are buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. Again, this week, the Dove deodorant are buy one, get one 50% off and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of the Dove FIFA Men's at $9.59, totaling $14.38. Use the 10 off 2 digital coupon if you didn't already use it and you pay $4.38, get back the $2 in extra bucks. And that would make 2 of these just $2.38 for both. We have such great deals on the Dove FIFA products this week. It's amazing. The L'Oreal facial care is spend $45 and you get back $20 in extra bucks. So you can grab one of these Revitalift moisturizers at $30.49 and then one of these cleansers at $15.49. So those 2 would total $45.98. And then you can use a 5 off 25 L'Oreal CRT and a $5 instant CRT that everyone got on L'Oreal products. You pay $35.98, get back your $20 in extra bucks, making both products $15.98. Or another way that you can do the deal is grab one of the toners at $8.59 and just use your $5 CRT on that, making it $3.59. Maybelline Cosmetics are spend $15, get back a $5 extra buck this week. So you can grab one of the liners or lipstick at $9.99 and one of the baby lips at $5.49, totaling $15.48, and use a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT as well as a $4 instant CRT. You'd pay $8.58, get back your $5 in extra bucks, making both products $3.48. CoverGirl Cosmetics are buy two and you get back $5 in extra bucks. So you can grab one of the professional mascaras at $7.79 and one of the twin brow pencils at $6.29, totaling $14.08. And we have separate $3 digital coupons that work on each product, taking off $6. So you'd be left to pay $8.08. You get back your $5 in extra bucks, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $3 back on the CoverGirl Professional Mascara, making your final cost just 8 cents for both items. You can also replace these two items with other CoverGirl items that you actually need. We also have a $3 digital coupon for CoverGirl face products. So I would say grab items that you actually need and make it a really great deal, pairing together the two $3 digital coupons, the extra buck, and the Ibotta rebate. And if you do not already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. If you sign up for Ibotta with that link, you get a $5 bonus when you submit for your first Ibotta offer. Revlon Cosmetics are buy two and you get back $5 in extra bucks. So you can grab two of the nail polish at $6.19 each, totaling $12.38. And we did just get a 6 off 2 CRT. So you pay $6.38, get back your $5 in extra bucks, making two nail polishes just $1.38. The TheraBreath toothpaste is $6.99 and buy one, get back a $3 extra buck. So you'd pay $6.99, get back your $3 and $3 on Ibotta, making your final cost just 99 cents after the extra buck and $3 on Ibotta. This Listerine mouthwash is $7.59 and buy one, get back a $4 extra buck. We also have a $1 digital coupon. So you'd pay $6.59, get back your $4 in extra bucks, making your final cost for this just $2.59. That is a great deal for Listerine. Or you can also grab this bigger one on sale for $8.99. After the $1 digital coupon and the $4 in extra bucks back, it would be just $3.99. This Colgate Optic White Pro is on sale for $8.99 and buy one, get back a $3 extra buck. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'd pay $5.99, and after the $3 in extra bucks back, it would make it just $2.99. The Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $8 and buy two and you get back $3 in extra bucks, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So with that, you'd pay $5, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making your final cost just $2 for 2 or $1 each. Heads up, if you're brand loyal to Tresemme, they are buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So if you like Tresemme products, that's a pretty good deal with some good savings. The Gillette Foamy Shave Cream is buy one, get one 50% off and buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So you can grab two for $5.68. After the $4 in extra bucks back, it would make two of them $1.68. The Gain detergents, the pods, and the liquid are on sale for 2 for $15. You can grab one of each and use a $2 Coupon 24 app coupon for the liquid, as well as a $2 for the pods. So after those two, you'd be left to pay just $11 for both products or $5.50 each. The big packs of the Charmin Essentials toilet paper are on sale for 2 for $12. That's already a great sale price because they're normally priced above $12 each. We do have a $1 digital coupon for these, so that would make two of them just $11. Or if you go into your Coupon 24 app, we do have a $5 off of any one P&G product coupon. It was in the only for you section. I clipped it on Saturday night. So go in there and see if you have this, because if you do, that would be a really, really great coupon to clip. You can use the $1 digital coupon for one of the items and the $5 Coupon 24 app coupon off any one P&G product on the other item. And that would make two of these just $6 or $3 each. That is what I'm going to use to pick these up this week. The Ajax is on sale for buy one, get one 50% off and buy two and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So grabbing two would total $5.23 and we have a $1 digital coupon. So you'd pay $4.23, get back your $2 in extra bucks, making both of them just $2.23. The Suavitel are buy one, get one 50% off and buy two and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So you can grab two of them totaling $5.38. You'd pay that, get back your $2 in extra bucks, making two of them $3.38. The Febreze plug is on sale for $3.99 and we do have a $3.50 digital coupon. So using that, it would make one of them just 49 cents. The big 80 count of Lysol wipes are $10.79 and on sale for buy one, get one free, plus buy two and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So grabbing two, you'd pay $10.79 and after the $3 in extra bucks back, it would make two of them just $7.79. The same deal applies to the 11 count finish at $9.99. So you pay $9.99 and then after the $3 in extra bucks back, it would make two of them just $6.99. Grab two of the General Mills cereal on sale for $1.99 each, totaling $3.98, and use a $1 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $2.98 for both, then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 boxes. And you can submit to Fetch Rewards for 55 cents back on 2, making your final cost for both just $1.43. If you do not already have Fetch Rewards, I will have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment for you to get a $4 bonus when you sign up and submit for your first Fetch offer. The Nature Valley granola bars are on sale for $1.99 each, and we have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making up to 5 of them since this Ibotta rebate is a limit of 5, just $1.24 each. These select gift cards listed in the ad are spend 50 and you get back $10 in extra bucks. So if you are interested in grabbing any of those gift cards, you can essentially get a free $10 in extra bucks and then use the gift card for yourself or for gifting. I did 4 transactions today, rolling my extra bucks. The first transaction, I grabbed the 2 Dove body wash with the 5 off 20 and the 10 off 2 digital coupon. I paid $5.58 and then got back my $4 in extra bucks, making my net cost just $1.58. And then I'm rolling that $4 in extra bucks into transaction 2. In this transaction, I did the Dove deodorant. I used my 10 off 2 digital coupon and my $4 in extra bucks, paid 38 cents, and then I got back $2 in extra bucks that I rolled into my third transaction. In transaction 3, I grabbed the Ajax, used my $1 digital coupon and my $2 in extra bucks, paid $2.23 out of pocket, and then got back $2 in extra bucks that I rolled into my last transaction. That was the General Mills cereal. Then I grabbed the 2 cereals, used my $1 off 2 digital coupon and my $2 in extra bucks, paid 98 cents, and then got back $1 on 2 boxes of the General Mills cereal on Ibotta, and I submitted my receipt to Fetch and got some bonus points, like 60 cents for buying 2 of the General Mills cereal as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS Steals video. Look out for the short form video on rolling extra bucks that I posted already here on YouTube Shorts and on my other short form social media platforms, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled. And let me know what you guys are picking up this week in the comment section down below. I'm really curious. Do you have any deals that you heard about or found out about this week that I did not mention in this week's video? If you did, please let me know about them in the comment section down below, and just in general what you ended up picking up for your haul this week. And if I do not catch you in next week's video because I will be out of town, I will catch you in 2 weeks for the start of a brand new 2-week ad starting on July 5th.